Hello everybody. Today I wanted to recreate a look that I did a couple days ago. And I asked you guys if you wanted to see how I did it. So I did a tutorial for it. And the tutorial will be voiceovered because I felt like that would be easier to do. Especially because I got a new microphone and it's really hard to talk in the microphone and do makeup at the same time. So I felt like the voiceover would be easier to do so you guys could see better and hear me better. So I hope you guys learn how to do this, and I hope you guys try to recreate some of my looks because it means a lot to me when you guys do that, and I think it'd be really cool to see my work on other people. So if you guys recreate any of my looks, make sure you tag me in them on Twitter or Instagram. And let's get to the tutorial. Keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyes with the Anastasia eye primer. And then I'm just using a beauty sponge to blend that into my skin. Next, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And I'm going to prime my face. And now that I'm all primed, I'm going to do my eyes first, and I'm going to use a Thirsty palette. And the first shade I'm going to use is Bitch. And I'm just putting that in my crease. And blending, and blending. And now we're doing the same thing with the other eye. We're just blending that orange color into the crease. And now I'm going to be using the Alien palette. And I'm going to be using the dark purple Area 51. And I'm putting that right below the orange shade. And blending them together. I'm just using the Thirsty mirror so I can see better. Same purple shade, different brush. Same thing. Blend, blend, blend. Always make sure your shadows are blended. Now I'm going back in with that orange, and I'm just blending the purple and the orange together more. And now I'm going in with a black on the outer corners to darken the eye up a little bit and mix the black and the purple together. And then I'm going back in with the orange, and I'm blending the purple and the black. Now I'm going back in with more purple, and I'm trying to get more purple in the center of that orange and the black so you can see it more. Now I'm gonna go in with that green on the top, the sparkly green. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of that on the lid. And then now I'm gonna do the inner corner of my eye and put that green as a highlight. I make really weird faces when I do my makeup. Just putting that out there right now. And now I'm taking another brush and doing my lower lash line with the dark green in the Alien palette. And also I'm adding some purple to the dark green under my lash line. And the main color scheme is done. Next I'm going in with my Beauty Blender and my Mary Kay foundation. I don't really use this foundation that much, but I used it for the original look that I did. And now we bounce. And we're still blending. Now I'm just taking some concealer that I used in the original look that I did. And we're going to blend that out under the eyes. And same thing with the other side. Now I'm gonna set that in place. And I didn't really go too heavy with all the makeup in the original because it was late that night and I didn't really want to put a full face of makeup on. So I'm doing it exactly how I did in the original. I went in with a darker shade of Tarte Shape Tape and tried to contour a little bit. This is what I did that night. And now I'm blending it out. And now I'm just adding a little bit more to that one side. And for highlight, I use the Brain Freeze palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And for this look, I used Cocky. Now I'm going in with a ColourPop cream liner, and it's the green one, and I'm doing my lower lash line